What is a JM Financial Mutual Fund fact sheet? A JM Financial Mutual Fund fact sheet is an accessible tool for investors to stay informed about a scheme's essentials. Fact sheets detail critical information on scheme performance, historical returns, risk, etc. One should go through the fact sheet to better understand the fund one wishes to invest in or have already invested in. Let's talk colors. The first color, dark blue, denotes equity, market cap. The second color, dark gray, denotes hybrid, asset allocation. The third color, light blue, denotes fixed income, rating profiles. Up next, how to read a fact sheet. As per Association of Mutual Funds in India, best practice guidelines, circular standardization of information in fact sheets. Here you can go through the key terms you need to keep in mind as you read through the fact sheet. To understand what's on most investors' minds, you can go through the equity market outlook. Here our fund management team decodes market movements and explain factors that could affect the volatility of the market. Up next is something you need to know about our schemes, our portfolio commentary and portfolio positioning of our existing schemes. The Big Bang Boom, the highlight of our fact sheet, is our monthly themed curated articles. Every month we publish a fresh perspective and view that will leave you enlightened on all things finance. Aiming for stability of returns instead of high growth? You can go through the fixed income market outlook to better understand debt markets. Now the fun part. How does one read the scheme page? For illustration purposes, let's take the JM FlexiCap Fund page. On the top left, you see the scheme name and type, saving the best for last. At the bottom, you can see a table which consists of the scheme performance data. You can scan the QR code mentioned on the bottom right of the page to get the complete portfolio. On the right side of the page, you can see other details like scheme inception date, fund manager details, NAV details, fund size, eyes in, portfolio turnover ratio, minimum application amount, exit load, expense ratio, and risk ratios. The middle section of the fact sheet contains scheme portfolio, market capitalization, and portfolio classification by sector allocation. If you look closely, the scheme portfolio and portfolio classification by sector allocation has color coding. This denotes which sector is mentioned in the top 25 stocks. For instance, HDFC Bank Limited, ICICI Bank Limited, State Bank of India, Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited, Multi-Commodity Exchange of India Limited, Equitas Small Finance Bank Limited, and ICRA Limited and Riki Limited belong to the financial services section. To read the debt schemes data, you follow the first 3 steps. For other details about our direct plan schemes, SIP performance, riskometers, official point of acceptance, and branch details, you can go through the last few pages of the fact sheet, and that is how you can read and understand our fact sheet. To know more, you can write to us at partnercare@jmfl.com.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.